Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete database in Notion. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. In order to delete your database, just hover over this database with your mouse, and then simply you should see these three dots. As you can see, delete, duplicate, and more. Click on it to expand this window. Now select move to trash, and this has moved to trash your database, and you should go to trash right here and find your new database. So you can search for it right here. If you don't see it, this means that this will take a second in order to appear in your trash, so you can permanently delete it. You can try reloading your page and then go over to trash again, and you should see new database appears somewhere. Just try to type it in again, and if you don't see it here, just be aware that the pages in trash for over 30 days will be automatically deleted. So this is basically how you delete it. If it appears here, just go right here and delete from trash. Then click on delete. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.